Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video we are going to unbox the Redragon H220N Themis 2 wired gaming headset. So in short, this is just a gaming headset from Redragon that we are going to unbox today. So let's begin the unboxing video. So here is the package. I got it from computerzone.pk. If you want to buy it, I will put its link in the video description as well along with its specification. So first of all, let's open the packaging. So here it is, very nicely wrapped in the packaging. We got bubble wrap, so I'll put that aside. So here we have our bubble wrap. And here is the shipment details, so putting that aside as well. Here you can see the box, Redragon Themis 2 wide gaming headset. So here on the back we got some of its specification. It's got a stereo 3.5mm audio jack. It's matte black in finish, so that's really cool. And here you got of its specification: plug type 3.5, your usual audio jack. We got the speaker size and so on. So here we have the Redragon seal that we are going to first of all cut open. So let's cut open the seal. Here we got our Redragon logo again in matte black. And here are the gaming headphones. Other than that, we got our little manual as well regarding the headphones. Here we got a converter. If you want to use this particular headphone with your mobile phone, this side will go to your mobile phone. This one is for your Redragon headset, and the other one is for the microphone jack of your Redragon headset. And we also get a Redragon sticker as well. So here are the headphones themselves. So here they are, as you can see. We got the Redragon logo. Here we have our microphone again, and we got some length of a cable as well. And here we have our two ports. One is for your microphone and the other one is for your usual audio jack if you're going to use it with a PC. But if you're going to use it with your mobile phone, then you need to connect them or plug them like this, and the other side will go with your mobile phone. So you can use it either with your PC or with your mobile phone. And that's all regarding the Redragon headset. Here you have your volume controller as well on the right, on the left headset side, so you can increase or decrease the volume. And we also got this switch as well, on off switch. And that's all. Other than that, you can extend its height, and we got foam on all sides, so it's going to be really comfortable. So now I'm going to show you an audio test of the headphones. So I'm going to play a video of NCS. I will put their channel's link in the video description as well. So I'm playing the song currently, but you're hearing the song from the mobile speaker and not from the headphone. So in order to enable the headphones, you need to switch on it from here, and now you're hearing the audio from the speaker. you can reduce its volume and increase it as well. And by the way guys, their bass is really good. So guys, this was just a quick unboxing of the Redragon H220 gaming headphone. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.